So up to now, till now, what we have learned in different languages: alphabets, weekdays, colors name, fruits name, and moreover masculine, feminine, and month's name, conjugations, all we have done. Now the turn is in the beginner level is self introduction. Self introduction is mandatory concept. If you want to talk anyone, आप किसी से बात करना चाहते हैं, आप इंटरव्यू के लिए जाते हैं, you are going for the interview, तो आप अपना इंट्रोडक्शन तो देंगे he will ask, interviewer will ask. So need to say introduction is very important part of the any language, a very important part of any language. So without introduction we can't start our interview, we can't know the rules of the language and all, as English is the prime language because it is spoken in all over the world. French is the second widely spoken in the world, so it is also mandatory language. So today's topic is, as I told you, French language. This is myself in French language. Myself, what we call moi-même and français. Français is used for the French, right? Je m'appelle Pam. Je suis étudiant. J'ai 10 ans. J'aime les chocolats et glace. J'ai parlé français. J'ai habité à Paris. You can add many more lines according to your choice. So guys, let's start the topic. Our topic is introduction in French language. Right, myself or moi-même en français. Let's start. Je m'appelle Pam. I am Pam. Je suis étudiant. I am student. J'ai 10 ans. I am 10 years old. J'aime les chocolats et glace. I like chocolate and ice cream. Je parle français. I speak in French. J'ai habité à Paris. I live in Paris, which is the capital of France. Very beautiful city. Tourists always go there to see the beautiful city. So this is the introduction in French language. After that we will consider or we will write and understand how to speak, as it is a beginner stage and it is a beginner level. Myself in another language, German and Spanish, we will also write and learn. If you have any query, you can ask in comment box, and moreover, if you have any doubt, you can also ask or you can mail to me. And all the lectures are only available on the Usse Tedu with the title #polyglot.123. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Wait for the next video. Till then, goodbye.